I log in with username and password. I'm offline right now. By pulling the button to the right, I go online and the calls of the customers appear on the screen. At this stage, the customer's address is not visible. Driver only accepts the incoming request. So, by accepting request, I will be a suitor for this customer. I am waiting for the taxi with the shortest distance to the customer to be selected for a short time. If the chosen taxi is the one I drive, I take action to pick up the customer. From the map, I can track the location of the customer and the route with the shortest distance to the customer. When I reach the customer, I start the ride by pressing the Start Driving button. After I drop the customer to their destination, I end the journey by pressing the End Ride button and I am directed to home page in order to receive another request.